CK Challenge Question 35. This question have the weightage of 5%. There are 3 nodes in the cluster. Create daemon set, name, mypod, image, nginx on each node except one node, worker node 3. This question is related to managing containerized application using Kubernetes, a popular container orchestration tool. Specifically, it is asking you to create a daemon set object in Kubernetes with certain specification. A daemon set is a Kubernetes object that ensures that a copy of pod is running on every node in a cluster. In this case, you are being asked to create a daemon set with the name mypod and image nginx on all the node except one specific node, that is worker node 3. The cluster in this question consists of 3 worker node 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Your task is to create the daemon set that deploy a pod with an nginx image on each of the first 2 nodes but not on the third node. This means that 2 replica of the pod will be created, one on each first 2 node, and no replica will be created on the third node. To accomplish this task, you will need to create a Kubernetes manifest file that defines the daemon set object with the given specifications. You will also need to ensure that the manifest file specifies the appropriate selector and node selector to target only the first 2 nodes and exclude the third one. Overall, this question is testing your knowledge and ability to create and manage Kubernetes object, specifically daemon set, and your understanding of node selections in the Kubernetes cluster. Take on the challenge of solving this question on your own first, but if you encountered any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solutions. Good luck.
So in this question, the challenge number 3, there is 3 nodes. Let's verify it. QCTL. So we have 3 worker node available here. We have to create a daemon set. Okay, the name of the daemon set is mypod, and the image that we have to use is of nginx. The daemon set have the functionality that it will create a single pod in each of the node, but as per the questions we have to restrict it for a particular worker node 3. Okay, so in that case we will apply a taint. Only this we have comes in the mind when we are creating, we are restricting a particular pod to be get deployed into a particular node. So we will going to apply a taint, and then we will create a daemon set, and then we are going to deploy a daemon set so that it can deploy a pod in each of the node except the worker node 3. So to apply a taint, kubectl taint node worker node 3, and you can mark it taint as with any of the key value, like for example environment is equal to QA. Okay, so the taint now get applied. You can verify it as well. CTL describe node worker node 3, and then you can grep the keyword taint. So this will give you the information. So taint is already applied into that worker node. So now we have to create a daemon set. Okay, so I already have a manifest file. We created the specification file for the daemon set. You can see it's similar as the deployment. The only thing is that we can change the key, and the kind is the daemon set here. Okay, and all the places are labeled. The name of the pod is the same. It will also have the selector matching labels, so that it will by this basis is identified that we have to create a single pod only, and we don't have the replica because it by default it's have the one replica, so that it can deploy into a single node, a single pod. Okay, so we have already applied the taint. The image we are using nginx as per the question, and the name of the container is also nginx. So now I am going to deploy it. Ls, I will copy the name here. Apply minus f, not pasting the daemon set. So it will create a daemon set except the worker node 3 because we already applied a taint for the worker node 3 to ctl get ds, the short form of the daemon set. So you can see that it applied created only two. So desired is not two because we have the three worker node, but one worker node have the taint applied. So now the desired is two, current is two, ready is two, and available is two. So let's verify it. Get pod or wide. This gives us the node information. So you can see that the work pod, which is the part of the daemon set, okay, get applied, get deployed into the worker node 1, worker node 2, and not in the worker node 3 as per the question. So this fulfills the